This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play JJK Roblox. First, launch the Roblox application and search for the game. Look for Jujutsu Kaisen or JJK in the search bar. Once you find it, select a server with a low ping to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. After joining, complete the brief in-game tutorial to grasp the fundamental controls and combat basics. This will set you up for success in your journey. Now, let's talk about cursed energy, the core of your power. You'll accumulate this energy by defeating various enemies and successfully completing quests throughout the game world. As your character levels up, you'll gain access to powerful new curse techniques and abilities. Remember to strategically allocate your skill points to enhance your preferred combat style, whether it's close quarters combat or ranged attacks. Combat in JJK Roblox is dynamic and requires skill. You'll engage enemies using a mix of basic attacks and your unique curse techniques. Mastering dodging and blocking is crucial to minimize incoming damage and survive tougher encounters. To progress efficiently, make sure to complete your daily and weekly quests. These provide significant experience points and valuable rewards, helping you grow stronger and unlock more content. Finally, don't forget to explore the vast world of JJK Roblox. There are many hidden areas and rare items waiting to be discovered. Teaming up with other players is highly recommended for tackling challenging bosses and completing difficult missions, as cooperation is key. You can also test your combat prowess in player versus player battles, proving your strength against other sorcerers. Have fun and enjoy your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.